Hi guys, welcome to Worldly Wise Lesson 7. Abjure is to renounce or give up formally. A person who is like a king or queen can abjure the way people would like to refer to them and tell them to refer to like the king or queen as a sir, Mrs., or ma'am, or by their first name. Amorphous is without a definite shape, boundary, or character. Water would be amorphous because you would have to put water in a container or in a certain mold to make it take up a shape, but water itself does not have a shape, boundary, or character. Animus is an attitude or spirit within a person that strongly influences him or her, or a deep-seated ill will. So, if you feel a big dislike towards a person because they've done something or they do something that bothers you every day, then that feeling that you feel is an animus feeling. Dichotomy is a division into two distinct parts or groups. You can divide mammals, as in you can put them into two dichotomies because you can choose the mammals that live on land and the mammals that live underwater. Exemplar is an example or model, especially an ideal one. So, an exemplar is a person that people want to imitate, or like others want to imitate that person. So, some people, like till this day, imitate Michael Jackson, so they exemplar him. Herculean is of extraordinary size, power, or difficulty. And a great way to remember the word is referring it to Hercules, because Hercules was a very strong and powerful and he overcame a lot of difficulties. So, inchoate is not fully formed or realized. I feel like a newborn baby would be inchoate because they're just born, they just came onto this world. So, they're still not fully formed or developed. Invidious is likely to cause resentment or animosity, which means you're likely to have people around you like mad. You cause people around you to get upset or mad by doing something. Mélange is a mixture of dissimilar materials. Mélange is actually French. It's said as mélanger. So it's actually like mixing something, and it's a mixture of dissimilar materials. Nefarious is very wicked. Disney villains are very nefarious because they're always very like mean, and they're always very suspicious, and they do stuff that is just wrong. Nihilism is a viewpoint that denies any meaning or value to life, which is kind of like this person does not like to talk about religion. They're very skeptic about life. They don't like anything that has to do that gives them like questions life in general. Ratify is to approve, confirm, or verify. So, like, when you want to go somewhere with your friends, you can't just say to yourself, like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go. You actually have to ratify with the person that you're gonna be there, and you're gonna tell them that, okay, like, I'm confirming that I'm gonna go, I'll see you soon. Subsume is to encompass in a large or more comprehensive group to include. An example is to take something and mix it with something else to make it larger or to make a bigger group out of it. Variegated is varied as to form, type, or color. Plants are variegated because they're not all the same color, they're not all the same type, and they're not formed the same way, so they are variegated. Vitiate is to impair or weaken. So you can vitiate someone by giving them many tasks to do to like weaken them. When it comes time to do the actual uh thing they have to do, they'd be weak to not be able to pass whatever they were put down to do. Thank you. Have a great week.